Welcome back to another episode with Jacob and Mike, Against All Odds Outdoors. We're out here at Hopedale, Louisiana. It's the first time out here with this boat, having a good time, pulling in some sheeps and some reds. We got special test Tommy with us here today, having a good time, pulling them in, baby.
Country living on an old back road. Friday night is the place to go. You can call everybody you know. Yes sir, let's rock and roll. Country living on a Friday night. Gather round, won't be no fights. Everybody feeling mighty nice. Kick back cause we're living right. Country living, that's all we know. You can catch us on an old dirt road. You can call everybody you know. Yes sir, let's rock and roll.
Take a left on Old Mill Road, 3 or 4 miles, that's all you go. On the right hand side you'll see a shack. Head that way, you can park around back. Better bring a truck, you'll get stuck in a car. You can walk from the hard road, it ain't that far. Hear the same stories about 10 times. How we busted all the bottles on that one stop sign. About how we got stuck all night. Me and Buckles got home using nothing but the moonlight. Or out of QI's chopping some pine, laughing hard and remembering the times. Ain't nothing like an old back road. Pallet stacked high so the bonfire glows. Looking up at the stars so bright. And there ain't nothing better than a country boy Friday night.
Country living on an old back road. Friday night is the place to go. You can call everybody you know. Yes sir, let's rock and roll. Country living on a Friday night. Gather round, won't be no.
Y'all ready to get wet?
Everybody feeling mighty nice. Kick back cause we're living right. Country living, that's all we know. You can catch us on an old dirt road. You can call everybody you know. Yes sir, let's rock and roll.
Sitting on the tailgate, legs swing free. Time for a shot, I think we all agree. So we break out the crown, untie the bag. Throw one back, man, it ain't that bad. Where them coonhounds run and them crickets chirp. Money comes quick and it's back to work. It's the weekend though, nothing's on the mind. Cold beers with the crew, having best of times. Crank it up loud, now we're out in the woods. The cops couldn't get here if they wish they could. Let the fire burn and the cool air set. Take it all in, it's as good as it gets. We try to stop time, but it moves right past. Looking at the boys, man, we grew up fast. We got wives and kids now, hang on tight. And never forget all the country boy Friday nights.
Country living on an old back road. Friday night is the place to go. You can call everybody you know. Yes sir, let's rock and roll. Country living on a Friday night. Gather round, won't be no fights. Everybody feeling mighty nice. Kick back cause we're living right. Country living, that's all we know. You can catch us on an old dirt road. You can call everybody you know. Yes sir, let's rock and roll.
You can find me on the back roads, windows tinted, radio blaring, blowing smoke out the ceiling. On the back roads, ain't no other feeling. Headed to a balance, about to pick me up some women. On the back roads, jacked up suspension, mud tires big, drop the boat, let's go fishing. On the back roads, country boy living, sugar cane fields, make a living on some drilling. Riding by myself in my gray 06 Beamer, oh and I just got it waxed, I don't think nobody cleaner. Humid ass weather, it's hotter than jalapeno. Swinging and I'm banging, boss hogging like I'm Debo. Fine ass women, all types, I love them Creole. Asian accent, all the women love our lingo. Do 100 miles an hour, check for police with the scanner. Go and catch me some reds at the point, bring your camera. You can find me on the back roads, windows tinted,
drag right there, bro.
Jacked up suspension, mud tires big, drop the boat, let's go fishing on them back roads. Country boy living, sugar cane fields, make a living off some drilling.
Doing donuts in the Lambo, what a parking lot of randles, bonfire, Roman candles, weighing tubes on the channel. I'm going all in, they say life is a gamble. Camouflage down, steel toes in the flannel. Cajun trapping with a hoop net and some jug line down the channel. In the distant hunting bugs, drop a 12 point for the mantle. Death Valley, yellow shoe down here, you bet not roof of Bama. Spin the bill on Irish bin, codeine, dreaming, sipping Vanna. Throw a party on the levee off of Highway 187. Pull the jet skis out, airboats with loud propellers. Old lady tripping, so I'm hanging with the fellas. When Sunday come around, we hit the lake and come together. Mama raised the Rolling Stone, Paul McCartney with the Beatles. Gators on the bayou, I ain't talking Tim Tebow. Got a gumbo in the pot, playing darts at the spot. Two-stepping Travis Mott at the casino
You can
club
find
rock.
me on the back roads, windows tinted, radio blaring, blowing smoke out the ceiling on them back roads. Ain't no feeling, headed to the campus, about to pick me up some women on the back roads. Jacked up suspension, mud tires big, drop the boat, let's go fishing on the back roads. Sugar cane fields, living on some drilling. Country roads take me home to a place where I belong, Louisiana. You can find me on the back roads, windows tinted, radio blaring, blowing smoke out the ceiling on the back roads. Ain't no other feeling, headed to a balance, about to pick me up some women on the back roads. Jacked up suspension, mud tires big, drop the boat, let's go fishing on the back roads. Country boy living, sugar cane fields, make a living on some drilling.
Singing along to the radio, popping the top on something cool. Trying to beat the heat with a little buzz. Girls in the cutoffs and Dixie cups. Little country fun up under the sun. We having the time of our lives. It's a southern summertime.
I was born on the side, raised in this life, and I like my fish fried. Hush puppies and fries, sweet tea, coleslaw on the side. Dig deep to make room for pie. It's the 4th of July, Roman candles light up the night sky. It's the riverbank parties, bikini tops and Bud Lights. So hop in and either fall down drunk or fall in love. Telephone a friend to tell him you're in love. It's been 7 months, the southern summer showed up just in time. Time for 10 lines, legs, backs and thighs. Oh my, my, my. Oh why can't you stay? Woo, I love that southern summertime.
Sing along to the radio, popping the top on something cool. Trying to beat the heat with a little buzz. Girls in the cutoffs and Dixie cups. Little country fun up under the sun. We having the time of our lives. It's a southern summertime.
Tires swing on the oak tree and going in feet first.
Yeah, that's us.
Deep in the hollow where you holler beer run if you really wanna quench your thirst.
That's us.
Swimming in blue jeans, women swimming in them too, it ain't just a men thing. Bathing in the sun and the fun, getting numb from the whiskey, beer and shine.
That's us.
Good time, summertime brings incline in the temp, so you know what that means. Bathing in creeks, rivers or lake streams with the babe that loves them old guitar strings. She loves riding high, holding your knee. You're holding her thigh, we're trying to control the urge to lean in and kiss her on her cheek. So you crank the radio, you know she loves it when you sing that.
Sing along to the radio, popping the top on something cool. Trying to beat the heat with a little buzz. Girls in the cutoffs and Dixie cups. Little country fun up under the sun. We having the time of our lives. It's a southern summertime. Out here it's
Brats on the grill, you know the deal. Beer on chili, glue on wheels. Plenty red seal and time to kill. Ain't nothing like a southern night with them stars.